Hi and welcome to All Things Styled by Pam. I'm going to be pulling off all the coverings that came with the new outdoor sofa. And in this part right here, you're going to see as I hold it up just how much pollen and rain that got into the plastic coverings that came with the sofa. One of the things about Georgia, including certain areas, the pollen is really bad this time of the year. So that is one of the reasons why I kept the plastic covering that was on, well, that came with the love seat and with the chairs. And plus, I needed time to look for a outdoor cover that was going to last me, and I did finally find one at Home Depot. It came as a set for the love seat and for the two chairs. And one thing about Georgia, when you have a mixture of pollen and rain, which it has been raining just about every day for the last couple of weeks, it's hard to get off once the mixture of both gets into your outdoor furniture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, if I can just take a paper towel and wipe it off, I will. I did bring out some Lysol wipes. I don't know if you're supposed to use those, but I'm going to use it in certain spots to try to get off as much pollen as I can. And I really didn't like the fact that I waited so long, but I wanted to make sure I found the outdoor cover that was going to be big enough and that was going to cover all of the furniture as well as protect the cushions, especially during this time of year with the pollen. What you're going to see right now is I'm going to tie down all of the cushions to the love seat and to the chairs. I just want to make sure that because this deck is not covered, and if we have a bad windstorm or just bad rain, I want to make sure that the cushions are not going to fly away on me or fly off the love seat or on the chairs. I'm going to tell you, I'm really glad that I chose the color that I did. And on the Home Depot website, it looks just like the picture that is on the Home Depot website. My advice as well is to make sure that you read the comments, okay? Especially if you're purchasing something online. Make sure you know what you are getting, okay? So that is one of the reasons why it takes me a long time to pick out furniture. If not for me or anyone else, I'm going to make sure that I read the comments that are listed below, and that will help me decide and what I want to go ahead and purchase whatever that is. Now right here I'm putting the back cushions back on the love seat, and I just did grab a Lysol wipe because like I stated a moment ago, when the pollen mixes with the rain, it's hard to get off, and what it does, it leaves a yellow stain on your cushions, especially with this color. Now with this cushion, the back cushion that I'm getting ready to pull off of this chair, it got underneath the plastic. Obviously the plastic wasn't closed enough, and I'm going to have to really scrub underneath the back cushion in order to try to get as much as the pollen off of the chairs. Now, what I'm thinking about doing is going to Home Depot and purchasing a protection spray, outdoor protection spray, and respray the cushions because I don't have a cover over the deck right now. Okay, right now. And because it's out in the open, I need to try to protect the cushions as much as possible because Let me tell you, the prices of everything have gone up, and you just want to make sure that you can protect what you have, especially if it's outdoors. Okay, as you can see, I am scrubbing away. That pollen got under the zipper on the back cushion of this chair, and I'm really trying to get as much of it as I can off. And as you see, I'm wearing gloves. And the reason why I'm wearing gloves is because one of the things you do not want to do is you do not want to get pollen on your hands and then accidentally touch your face, like your eyes, because if pollen gets into your eyes, it's going to have you rubbing your eyes, and that is something that you just don't want to do. So I make sure that I am wearing my gloves as I am cleaning the outdoor cushions, just to make sure I protect myself. Now, what I'm going to also do is right here, you're going to see that I'm going to put on finally my outdoor pillows. And these right here came from Home Goods. And right now I'm struggling trying to get the ribbon off of the outdoor pillows. I'm so glad I'm able to bring them out. I am just so happy. That is the reason why I wanted the outdoor cover that I picked up from Home Depot again, because I want to be able to put my pillows on my love seat and on my two chairs. I'm loving the color. It's sort of like a nude color in these pillows. It's white and sort of like the new color in the stripes that you see on the outdoor pillow. But I quickly realized that the pillows were too small, and what I did was I brought down the pillows that I picked up from Kirkland's. I'm really loving these pillows because, as you can see, one side has a chevron print and the other side has more of a floral print. But I'm going to wind up using the floral print for now. I can't remember what size of the bigger pillows that you see right there with the chevron print. I can't remember the size of them, but I felt like they would be more suitable for the love seat, and the smaller ones will be more suitable for the chairs. Okay, what I'm doing right here is I wanted to give you a view of what it would look like on the chevron side. I think the color is sort of like a navy blue color, and I'm really loving the color. And it also gives me options when I want to change up from the floral side. As you can see, I panned around so you can see the smaller pillows in the chairs and the bigger pillows that I got from Kirkland's in on the love seat. So I wanted to make sure that you saw that. One of the things that I wanted to do was I wanted to use neutral colors. I didn't want to have a whole bunch of color out here. So that is the reason why I chose the neutral colors. And to tell you honestly, it looks really good, and it still gives me that look that I want, and it still matches the inside of my house. Now, if I wanted to bring out some color, I definitely can. And what I'm doing right here is, yes, I am actually sweeping off the rug because I've had some leaves and other things, especially pollen, that fell onto the outdoor rug. And I can't help it. It's a habit. And do you remember, ladies, a long time ago, before we got vacuum cleaners, we had to sweep the floor? So that's exactly what I'm doing. And it's what I'm used to, even though I have a vacuum cleaner and I will pick it up in a minute to vacuum my floors. But yeah, I just want to go ahead and get as much as the pollen that fell on the rug, as well as any other dirt or leaves that fell onto the floor. One of the things that I did during this video, I went ahead and kept the natural sounds that is because I'm outside, and I thought it would be nice doing the voiceover on with the natural outdoor sounds. And I do apologize right here that my broom was hitting the side of the furniture, but I was trying to go ahead and get everything done and everything taken care of because I have been on this porch for the last 3 weeks or more. So I'm just about almost finished. Getting all of the dirt that I tracked up on the porch from the yard and the flower soil that I wasted on the porch as well. So just bear with me. I'm almost finished getting up the rest of the dirt off of the porch. Okay, in just a moment, I'm going to give you a closer look at the material that is, or the fabric that is on the love seat and the two chairs. And what's going to be funny is that the smaller pillows that are in the chairs match my umbrella almost completely. And you will see that I could not believe I did that. And I did not know that I had done that. What's coming up in just a moment, I'm going to be putting the new Home Depot coverings, outdoor covers, on the love seat and on the two chairs. Now, what happened was I lost my some of my footage on me putting on the new outdoor covers on the love seat and one of the chairs. So I lost it and I can't find it, but you will see me putting it on one of the chairs. And the thing is, the outdoor coverings, as I stated, I'm not sure if I did, but if I'm saying it again, I apologize. It is absolutely beautiful, and I'm loving the new covers. And yes, the covers are neutral, and I'm so glad that the set didn't come with it. I'm glad that I had the opportunity to pick out the new outdoor covers. So the love seat and the two chairs and the table came from Home Depot, as well as the new outdoor covers. And in just a moment, I'm going to demonstrate just how big the new covers are, but but it's going to make sure that it's going to cover the chairs and the love seat completely. Look at me. Look at me. I had to do that just to give you an idea of how big the covers were. Now, they do have the two chairs, the two covers for the two chairs do have ties on them, so you can tie them. And on the love seat, they have snaps on them where you can snap one in on the side together. So that is another reason why I'm loving the new outdoor coverings. And as you can see, the covers went on effortlessly. I didn't have any issue. It wasn't too tight. I think the size is absolutely perfect for uh, for all of the outdoor furniture. And I think with this one, the cover you see me putting on now, I had it on backwards, so I had to take it off and turn it back around. And what I'm going to do is do give you an overview of how they look, and I was able to keep the pillows on. That's how much room that the outdoor covers gave me. I didn't have to take the pillows off. So I want to thank you for watching my video. Again, my name is Pam, even though it's All Things Styled by Pam. I hope that you enjoyed and liked my video. And if you want to join me on my Instagram, join me at Diamond2872, where I do post updates as to what I'm doing and the projects that I'm planning that are coming up on my channel. And again, thank you.